Episode 5, Multiplication of Fractions and Mixed Numbers. Part 4, Multiplying Fraction by its Reciprocal. Reciprocal. Reciprocal is the inverse of a fraction or it is the multiplicative inverse. Ibig sabihin, reciprocal kabaligtaran. So examples, we have 1/2. So reciprocal is 2 ones or 2. Another 3/5, reciprocal 5/3 or 1 and 2/3. Another 2 or 2 ones, so reciprocal niya is 1/2 and 1 and 1/3 or 4/3. So reciprocal niya is 3/4. So kung mapapansin niyo kapag meron tayong mixed number, ginagawa natin siyang improper fraction. 1. What is the product of 1/2 and 2? So we have here the word product, meaning we are going to use multiplication as operation. So 1/2 times 2. So we have here 1/2 and 2. So ang 1/2 at 2, reciprocal nila ang isa't isa. So let's continue. So 1/2 times 2 ones. So naituro na natin yan. Equals. So 1 times 2 equals 2. And 2 times 1 equals 2. So the final answer is 1. Example number 2. What is the product of 5 and its reciprocal? So 5 times reciprocal. So ano nga bang reciprocal ng 5? So ang 5 ay can be written as 5 ones. So ang reciprocal niya ay 1/5. So 5 ones times 1/5. So what will be the answer? So multiply the numerators. 5 times 1 equals 5. Then the denominators, 1 times 5 equals 5. So again, the answer is 1. 3. Multiply 2/8 and its reciprocal. So I have 2/8 times reciprocal. So we have 2/8. Ano nga ba ang reciprocal niyan? Babalik na rin lang natin. We have 8/2. So we have 2/8 times 8/2. So multiply first the numerators. 2/8. 2 times 8 equals 16. Then 8 times 2 equals 16. So kapag the same ang numerator at denominator, we have 1. So that is the final answer. Then we have example number 4. Multiply 1 and 2/5 and its reciprocal. So 1 and 2/5 times reciprocal. So anong reciprocal ng 1 and 2/5? So we have 7/5. So paano nangyari yun? Minultiply natin yung whole number tsaka yung denominator. So 1 times 5 equals 5. Then plus 2. So we have 7/5. So ang reciprocal niyan ay 5/7. So ayan po. So we have 7/5 times 5/7. So we have 7 times 5 equals 35 and 5 times 7 equals 35. Again, our answer is 1. So yun lang po, pansin natin pag reciprocal, ang ang product po nila ay 1. So that's all. Thank you and God bless.